Hi everyone. For this lesson, we are focusing on comparators. Operational amplifiers are often used to compare the amplitude of one voltage with another. In this application, the op-amp is used in the open loop configuration with the input voltage on one input and a reference voltage on the other. So what do you mean by comparators? A comparator is a circuit that can determine if an input voltage exceeds a certain level. General purpose op amps can be used for this function in non-critical applications because of the high open loop gain. When an op amp is used as a comparator, there's no negative feedback, and the op amp output will be saturated in one of the two states, usually a positive or negative voltage. Comparators often have other built-in features, such as hysteresis, the two switching points with an external pin to control the thresholds. Another feature found on many comparators is a very stable internal reference voltage that is compensated for temperature variations. So we have here two images, A and B. One application for a comparator is a zero-level detector. So yung zero-level detector natin ay makikita sa figure A. So notice that the inverting input is grounded. So kung mapansin po natin, connected yung ground sa ating negative or dun sa ating inverting input. This will serve as a 0 volts reference. Yung signal naman natin na Vin is applied to the non-inverting input. As the input signal crosses the 0 volts reference point, the output suddenly switches from one saturated state to the other. For the next figure, makikita natin yung sinusoidal input voltage na applied sa non-inverting input of the zero-level detector. As you can see, the Vin, when the sine wave is negative, the output is at its maximum negative level. When the sine wave crosses zero, the amplifier is driven to its opposite state and the output goes to its maximum positive level. Papansin natin, kapag nag-alternate yung atin pong signal from zero to positive peak ng Vin, yung atin din pong Vout ay magma-maximum. At kapag negative side naman po, bumababa din yung ating ah, output signal. As you can see, the zero level detector can be used as a squaring circuit to produce a square wave from a sine wave. Ang ating input is Vin, sine wave, and then as you can see, our output here is a square wave. Moreover, the zero-level detector can be modified to detect voltages other than zero by connecting a fixed reference voltage to the inverting input. In this figure, as you can see, we have V sub-ref or the reference voltage instead na ground lang po ang i-connect natin sa inverting input. So same pa din na meron po tayong input voltage sa ating non-inverting input. A more practical arrangement is shown in this figure. So using a voltage divider to set the reference voltage as follows. So to compute for our reference voltage given, we have here R1 and R2. Our V sub ref or reference voltage is equal to R2 all over R1 plus R2 quantity positive V, where plus V is the positive op-amp supply voltage. As long as the input voltage is less than sa ating V ref, the output remains at the maximum negative level. When the input voltage exceeds the reference voltage, the output goes to its maximum positive state. As you can see here in this figure, kung makita po natin yung V ref or reference voltage natin ay na-reach na at this point, nagkaroon ng positive state yung ating signal And then after bumaba sa ating reference voltage, bumaba na din po yung ating pinaka-output signal. Okay? For the example, so draw the output showing its proper relationship to the input signal. So assume that the maximum output levels of the op-amp are 12 volts. So with here, for letter A, as you can see, this is our input signal. And for letter B, this is the orientation of our comparator circuit. And to answer this, we are going to substitute the values to find the reference voltage. Given that we have here R1 8.2 kilo ohms and R2 1 kilo ohms. So our reference voltage is equal to R2 all over R1 plus R2. Quantity plus V is equal to 1 kilo ohms all over 8.2 kilo ohms plus 1 kilo ohm. Quantity 1 positive 15 volts. And with that, our answer here is 1.63 volts. So therefore, using this comparator circuit, our reference voltage is now 1.63 volts. So as you can see in this figure, to answer our output signal, since our reference voltage is 1.63 and our input signal is 5 volts, as we reach the 1.63 reference voltage, the output signal is positive uh, 12 volts or the maximum state. And then after having the signal below 1.63 voltage for our reference voltage, then the output level becomes negative 12 volts. So in conclusion, again, a comparator is a circuit that can determine if an input voltage exceeds a certain level. So for example, we have a reference voltage of 1.63 at kapag na-reach na po yung ating reference voltage, nagkakaroon tayo ng maximum level. Nagsishift po yung ating output sa maximum level. And kapag bumaba po sa ating reference voltage, magshi-shift po siya pababa sa ating minimum level. So, nagshi-shift po siya depende sa ating certain level. So, that is the comparator circuit. And with that, that's all for this lesson and God bless.